So what am I gonna teach you now is something really cool. So DaVinci Resolve also has some inbuilt LUT, as I told before. You don't have to import my LUTs, you don't have to import any LUTs, you don't have to buy any LUT pack, because the LUTs what we have in DaVinci Resolve, it's really good. And to implement that, what I would be doing is I would just disable these two LUTs and I would just put them in the corner. Yeah, and I would make another node here called Film Look. Film Look. And if we go to the LUTs here, we go LUTs here, and then Film Looks. So these LUTs, they are available in the free version, in the paid version, and they have been available in DaVinci Resolve for ages. So these are some of the Film Look LUTs what are used in a lot of cinemas, and it's really crazy that it's free in DaVinci Resolve. So I would, just make it list view so that I can know the names. And some of the LUTs are what my favorite LUTs are: codec 238365, or this one, or this one. So let's try codec 2383 D55. This is my image after I put the LUT. And I'm sure now your question would be that I thought that you told that it's a really good film LUT. It is, but you have to put this LUT on a good video settings. So this LUT is only for specific type of videos, and we can convert all of our videos, whatever we have, to that format so that Film Look LUTs are applicable for that format. Just hear me out. Yep, so if we go to CST2, so here on CST1, color space transformation 1, we had this settings. CST2, we had this settings. What do we want to do? We're going to go to output gamma, and we're going to go to Cineon Film Log. So once we do that, then the Film Look LUT is applicable on that, because this LUT is only made for Cineon Film Log. Like some of the LUTs what I have already, it's only made for Sony Log picture profile. So those LUTs, they automatically transform the Sony Log to Rec 709, and then they give us this look, and same as the Film Look LUT. That is only for Cineon Film Log, and we can convert any image into Cineon Film Log format by this technique. And if you're wondering how the Cineon Film Log looks, this is how the Cineon Film Log looks in real life, in general. But our Rec 709 image, that looked completely different. So that's why the Film Look LUTs work on this. You can also just try another LUTs. So that's also a good learning curve about color space transformation. If you go codec 83, codec D65, it's like these LUTs, they are, in my opinion, really cool. I just need to maybe get rid of the saturation. You can change the exposure according to these LUTs, and they give a really nice and cinematic vibe. Some people might like it, some people might not, but I think they're really cool. And how we can use this LUT on a normal image, let's say this image, let's try it out. So remember this image, how it looked. It was a Rec 709 image. So this image was a Rec 709 image. In reality, it looked like this. So what do we need to do? We need to make another node already in the beginning. Yeah. And then we can reset this node, maybe just activate everything. Yeah. And on this node already, we need to convert the image to Cineon Film Log. So we go color space transformation, put it here, and then we don't need to change anything, just output gamma Cineon Film Log. So yeah, here we need to put the Cineon Film Log, and that makes this image applicable to the LUT what we have in DaVinci. But the thing is that, as you can see, this LUT is making this image a little bit too bright. So we need to reset our exposure, maybe reset our HDR. Also maybe reset the saturation, or just leave it like that. And here we can reduce the exposure of the image. So we just go pull it down from the center. Maybe it's not working. We need to maybe play with the HDR. So I would just reduce down the highlights because it's going really crazy. So now the image looks a little bit decent. It's not the best. Maybe we have to reduce down the gains because I can see that they're all peaking up really bad. So yeah, and I can increase the shadows, increase the gains here, maybe get rid of the saturation. So yeah, that's how you can also use the Film Look LUTs. And if we go before and after for the entire image, look at this. This was how it is, and now it really looks like a film look. Let's maybe try on this image. So I would just go here, color space transform, and here just Cineon Film Look. So you can see that the image is a little bit desaturated, and I'll just put the film look in the end. Or maybe this one, or maybe this one. You can try everything. My favorite is one of these codecs. So yeah, as you can see, they make the image a little bit brighter. So we're gonna reduce the exposure, maybe reduce the entire exposure of the image. So of course, this is not a look what you would go for in, you know, your daily vlog videos, but this is a look what you can do if you are making any sort of cinematic videos. And what we can also do here, you go to custom curve and maybe bring down the brightness like this. So you can see that now our image is kind of coming in the, like earlier it was all peaking. Now it's kind of coming in the good spectrum. Here maybe we can let the gamma be like that, maybe increase the shadows a little bit. So you can see that in just 3 nodes before, it was looking like a normal travel video image. It looks like a film now. That is really cool. So that's how you can use the Film Look node in DaVinci Resolve.